How to make money with debt. Welcome. In today's video, we will explore an intriguing topic that may surprise many people: how to make money with debt. It's common for us to associate debt with a negative financial situation, filled with worries and difficulties. However, it's important to understand that even in this circumstance, there are opportunities that can be explored to profit and improve our financial situation. We live in a world where debt is common and often unavoidable. Student loans, mortgages, personal loans, and credit card debts are just a few examples of the types of debts we face. However, it's crucial to see beyond the burden that these obligations can bring. By understanding the nuances of debt and exploring smart strategies, it's possible to turn the seemingly disadvantageous situation into an opportunity to make money. Yes, you heard that right. We can take advantage of debts to leverage our financial resources and propel our journey towards financial independence. Throughout this video, we'll explore different topics ranging from understanding the types of existing debts to negotiating debts with creditors. Additionally, we will also discuss the possibility of investing in debt acquisition and how offering financial consulting services can be a profitable way to help others and ourselves. Therefore, if you're looking for innovative ways to improve your financial situation, this video is for you. We will challenge the common notion that debts are just a burden and show how we can turn them into real opportunities to make money. Are you ready to expand your views on debts and discover effective strategies to boost your financial life? Then, let's get started. Topic 1. Understanding types of debts. In this topic, we will explore the importance of understanding the different types of debts that can impact our financial lives. By understanding these categories, we can make more informed and strategic decisions regarding our finances. There are various types of debts that we may encounter throughout our lives. Some common examples include student loans, mortgages, personal loans, and credit card debts. Each of them possesses distinct characteristics that we need to understand in order to manage them efficiently. For instance, a student loan is a specific form of debt used to finance education. It usually has different interest rates and repayment terms compared to other types of loans. On the other hand, a mortgage is a debt associated with buying a house, involving significant amounts and long repayment periods. Personal loans, on the other hand, can vary widely in terms of value, terms, and interest rates, depending on financial institutions and individual circumstances. Credit card debts are a common example of debt that can accumulate rapidly, especially if not paid in full each month, due to high interest rates. Understanding the interest rates associated with each type of debt is crucial as they directly influence the total cost over time. Additionally, it is important to know the repayment terms as they determine the duration of our financial obligation. We must also be aware of the consequences of not paying the debts. Failure to pay can result in financial penalties such as fines and additional interest, as well as damage to our credit reputation. These consequences can negatively affect our ability to obtain future loans or secure favorable conditions in financial transactions. Topic 2. Debt negotiation. In this topic, we will explore the powerful strategy of negotiating debts with creditors. Negotiation can bring several significant advantages for those seeking to alleviate the financial burden of debts. One of the main advantages of debt negotiation is the possibility to reduce the total debt amount. By contacting creditors and demonstrating willingness to resolve the situation amicably, it is possible to negotiate discounts or even eliminate certain fees and additional charges that may have accumulated. Furthermore, it's possible to seek a reduction in the applied interest rates. Through well-conducted negotiation, it's viable to obtain a decrease in interest rates, resulting in savings over time. This reduction can alleviate the financial burden and make debt payments more manageable. Another important strategy is negotiating more flexible repayment terms. Often, people find themselves in situations where the original repayment periods are not viable, leading to even greater financial difficulties. By engaging in dialogue with creditors, it's possible to seek extensions or adjustments that make monthly payments more suitable to the debtor's financial capacity. Another possibility is seeking discounts for lump sum settlements. In some cases, creditors are willing to offer attractive discounts to those who can settle the debt in one payment. This can be an excellent opportunity to leverage available resources or find alternatives to obtain the necessary funds and settle the debt. To succeed in debt negotiation, it's crucial to be proactive in seeking agreements. Do not wait for creditors to contact you first. Reach out to them, show interest in resolving the situation, and be prepared to present concrete proposals. Additionally, maintaining clear and transparent communication with creditors is essential. Explain your financial situation, demonstrate commitment to resolving the debt, and be open to listening to the possibilities offered by the creditor. Maintaining constructive dialogue can open doors to favorable solutions. Topic 3. Investing in debt acquisition. In today's topic, we'll explore a unique approach to making money from debts, investing in debt acquisition. This strategy, known as debt buying, involves acquiring debts from third parties at a reduced price and subsequently negotiating with debtors to recover the full amount or make a profit. Specialized companies or even individuals can engage in this debt buying market. The process usually involves acquiring debt portfolios from creditors such as financial institutions or collection agencies. These debt portfolios can contain various types of debts, such as personal loans, credit card debts, or overdue accounts. Debt acquisition is done at a price lower than the nominal value of the debt. This is because creditors are often willing to sell debts at a discount to get rid of collection obligations that can be laborious and time-consuming. By acquiring these debts at a reduced price, investors have the opportunity to profit by recovering the full debt amount from debtors or, in some cases, obtaining a discounted settlement compared to the original value. However, it's important to highlight that investing in debt acquisition is not without risks. Debtors may face financial difficulties that prevent them from paying the debt, even with negotiation attempts. Additionally, the debt buying market can be highly competitive, requiring careful analysis and a solid strategy to identify the most advantageous opportunities. Another important consideration is the legal issues involved in this type of investment. It's essential to understand and adhere to applicable laws and regulations, both regarding debt acquisition and the collection and negotiation with debtors. Depending on the country or jurisdiction, specific requirements and legal restrictions may need to be followed to avoid legal problems. Topic 4. Offering financial consulting services. In this topic, we will explore a rewarding and profitable way to make money, offering financial consulting services to help others manage their debts and improve their financial situation. By sharing your knowledge and skills in personal finance, you can make a difference in people's lives while creating a source of income. To offer financial consulting services, it's essential to have a good understanding of personal finance. This includes knowledge about budgeting, financial planning, debt reduction, investments, and other related aspects. You should be able to analyze each client's individual financial situation, identify problem areas, and develop customized strategies to help them achieve their financial goals. There are various options available for offering financial consulting services. One option is to create a blog or website dedicated to the topic, where you can share tips, advice, and relevant information about personal finance. This allows you to reach a wide audience and establish your credibility as an expert in the field. Additionally, you can offer individual consultations, either in person or through video conferencing. In this format, you will work directly with your clients, analyzing their finances, helping create budgets, providing personalized advice, and monitoring their progress over time. Another option is to conduct educational workshops or give lectures at companies, schools, or other venues. This is a way to share your knowledge with a larger group of people, providing practical guidance and strategies for dealing with debts and improving the financial situation. It's important to emphasize that, when offering financial consulting services, it's essential to act ethically and responsibly. Respect the privacy and confidentiality of your clients by providing accurate and up-to-date information. Stay updated on relevant financial laws and regulations in your jurisdiction. By helping others manage their debts and improve their financial situation, you will be making a positive difference in their lives. Moreover, by offering financial consulting services, you will have the opportunity to turn your passion for personal finance into a rewarding career. Conclusion. Throughout this video, you have explored various ways to make money from debts, highlighting that although it is a challenging financial situation, there are opportunities that can be seized to improve our financial situation and achieve stability. It's important to emphasize that regardless of the chosen approach, it's crucial to seek continuous knowledge about personal finance, stay updated on trends and best practices, and act ethically and responsibly. Therefore, we encourage you to continue researching the topic, seek additional resources, and explore opportunities that fit your individual circumstances. Remember that improving your financial situation requires commitment, discipline, and ongoing financial education. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to have provided useful and inspiring information. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, and share it with others interested in improving their financial situation. Together, we can achieve financial prosperity and build a more stable future. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.